one more. Maybe let's go two. There's another one. Yeah. Yeah, outstanding. Starting this. Can you sign down there? Oh, I can see some big signature there. Ooh. This bank is the problem. One more. Yeah, that's the one. Yeah. So this so one, yeah, two, yeah. Okay. Yeah, guys. I'll start first. Hello, everybody. It's Gauthier Mascot, producer of Lenox production. We're just signing the paper for my young girls here. I want to make them superstar for tomorrow. I think they'll be doing an amazing job. So we welcome them to Lenox production. And then welcome to Lenox production.
Thank
Rosa
you.
and Eunice.
Thank you.
So there is a signature, and then I promise you guys to do good videos, and then I'll make sure your video is gonna be to all the platform, and to do some business. So, and we'll be making videos, films, and we'll be making music as well. So welcome everyone from any country: Nigeria, Ghana, Zambia, Zimbabwe, Tanzania, Uganda, South Africa, to welcome them.
Yes.
And then one day our video will be coming there, so you know who they are, because they've been signing to my record label. Pour la bana Congo, bana na Biso, Nice na Rosa, signé dans Lenox production. Pour les gens qui ne me connaissent pas, c'est Gauthier Mascot. Voilà, prochainement, on va vidéo na bango amateur T. Comme il faut signer dans la maison, on va vidéo na bango en mode professionnel et dans toutes les plateformes. Ça va combo, il va oser na ba Vivo, ba eBay, ba Deezy, ba iTunes, partout. Voilà. Soyez les bienvenus, nos enfants.
Oui, merci.
Rosa, ceux qui besoin makambokoloba.
Yes,
You
hello.
can say in English and after you say in English.
Hello, everyone, family, friends, everyone. As you can see, we have now signed to Lenox production. You see, we do videos on YouTube, but they're not really professional. But now we are signed to a record label, and you will start seeing more better videos, more nicer videos, more professional videos, and nicer content coming from me and my sister. Pona watu oba kompante, Towuti ako Signe na Lenox production. Bo bana kumona ba video kitoko, ba video penza class, ba video swempa na ba video na Biso ngane nisto saka za kanango to saka na Biso Mexico. Bo bana kumona image claire, ale toza kosebela makasi to promettre bino ba video ebele na bo bana kumona Biso partout. Oui, and
hello everybody, I'm very grateful how I have a chance to go to Lenox production. As you can see, we just signed the contract right here, and we're now officially good at everything we do. One of us will accompany na lobby na sepele bele na kosti Biso na Lenox production na sepele bele. Merci pour la côté.
Oh, merci. Na sepele comme on a bino.
Merci.
Na PSP ma boti na Biso. Merci na maman Sandra na papa chinois. Na oyo bosaki po na bana bosalaki vraiment oyo ba para ba pesa na bana. Mais na ndenge amateur, mais ngai pe sikoyo noko na bango na bozwa bango na ndenge ya professionnel pour bana babimisa ba talent na bango. En tout cas, tous are vraiment content. We can take our paper and say hello everybody, we are in Lenox production.
Hello
everybody,
we're in Lenox production.